Wondering how to unleash endless IPTV possibilities on your iPhone? Stay tuned to discover a simple magic. Imagine watching thousands of channels right on your sleek device, quality guaranteed with just few taps. The journey begins with choosing the most reliable provider. Let me show you how to unlock the best. Meet 2TV.store, the ultimate provider, offering seamless, crystal clear streaming for your iPhone anytime, anywhere. Setting up IPTV on your iPhone is easier than you think. Let's dive into this straightforward process together. First, download the recommended app, ensuring compatibility and streamlined integration with 2TV.store server settings. After installing, input server credentials from 2TV.store. Easy setup guarantees swift, flawless channel delivery. Now you're just a click away from accessing a universe of content straight to your iPhone, efficiently and smoothly. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to unlimited entertainment in your pocket, wherever you go, anytime you desire. Still skeptical about trying 2TV.store? Let's take a peek at community reviews and see how others are enjoying IPTV. Users say they've never experienced such quality and convenience. Would you want to be next in line? Imagine experiencing favorite shows and sports matches in real time, wherever life takes you, without interruptions. Opting for 2TV.store means opting for more leisure, better quality, greater options than ever before. Sound good? Stay ahead with IPTV. Cut the cable and start experiencing the modern way of watching TV on the go. Your iPhone just became your new television set, capable of transforming boring commutes into exciting adventures. Ready to start your IPTV journey? Hit subscribe, support the channel, enjoy incredible IPTV on your iPhone today.